Since 1908, Breathe California has worked tirelessly to improve lung health awareness in the Bay Area. For decades, our organization focused on tuberculosis outreach and education. Our community outreach has expanded considerably since those early days. We are now active in teaching better breather classes to those suffering from chronic obstructive pulmonary disease. Our asthma education outreach teaches educators how to cite potential signs of asthma within their student populations. We also work with daycare facilities to stop the use of harmful cleaning products that could cause asthma.
I'm from Breathe, California, and we help people quit smoking, and we do a lot of work to make sure that people are not exposed to the dangers of secondhand smoke and smoking.
We are also involved in school programs to educate kids about the harmful effects of tobacco. On a broader community level, we have helped thousands of Bay Area residents stop smoking through our smoking cessation programs. We offer free cessation classes regularly in San Mateo County.
You can't beat it. I mean, the patches are free, which is really nice because they can be very expensive. And it's just a support group, It's just such a different feeling when you're surrounded by people who want the same thing that you do rather than trying to do it alone.
In addition, we work locally and in Sacramento to fight for and pass legislation that promotes better air quality and tougher regulations on polluters.
If you're a state legislator and you want to move any legislation that has anything to do with air quality, has anything to do with tobacco control, tobacco regulations, anything that has to do with your lungs, Breathe California has to be involved in the discussion, has to be part of the conversation, and has to be there and will be there to lead the way.
In order to get our information out to the public, we produce educational lung health podcasts and videos, often with industry leaders, which we deliver through our social networks at no cost and 24/7 to partners as well as the general public. Our yearly events help us raise funds to support our effective programs and outreach. For 20 years, we have held the Bike for Breath Ride, an event that raises well over $100,000 annually. In addition to our events, much of our funding comes from individual donors who witness the impact that our programs have on those suffering from lung-related issues. Many of these donors have decided to make giving to Breathe California part of their legacy.
I myself am leaving a large sum of my house and my worldly belongings to Breathe California, and I think a number of other people are doing that too. And I want to encourage as many people to do so, because when you're dead, you're dead. And although your kids can use some of the money, they don't need all of it. And from the standpoint of Breathe California, not only gives better lung health to your children and your grandchildren, but to everybody else's children, and helps in the long run to make the world a little better.